We are now headed to the historical fire tower up at the Buchanan Lookout Recreation Site, located on the western slopes of the Selkirk Mountains. The road climbs steadily, offering a mix of tight switchbacks and steep inclines as it snakes up the mountain. Both the mountain and lookout were named after local pioneer lumberman George Owen Buchanan. This was late June, and there was still snow at the top. The tower was originally built in the 1940s and operational up until 1982. The second floor of the restored structure has been set up as a diorama to represent a functional fire lookout from the 1950s and 60s.